When my baby girl, who's now getting ready to be 30, was 14 years old, encouraged her to make dog treats for her dog at the time. And now she's making dog treats for Major. Say hi, Major. So we'll come back when they're done, and then I'll let you see how he likes them.
Show the ingredients.
Oh, ingredients. Ingredients were pumpkin.
I feel like we can do like 2-3 weeks to
the Jiffy peanut butter.
No sugar, natural.
No sugar. Flour.
And water. One
water. Okay. All right. Okay, here they go. Let me see. Okay, now we got to give him one. Come here, let me take one out. Major, let me see. Wait.
Oh, this one's kind of warm.
Oh.
I want to burn you.
I want to get close. Bring him over here.
I was trying to find a not so hot warm one. Ready? Don't bite me.
No, you turn your hand under with the back of your hand to him. Put your hand to the back.
Which one? Like this?
Put the back of your hand to his mouth with the food in the inside, and that way he won't bite you. Put the food in the back of your hand. Paris, look.
What are you talking about?
Oh, God.
Like this?
Yeah, now turn your hand over. Now put it up. Put your hand up to the back of your hand up to it. This is how you give a dog a treat. Yeah, just like that. And he will not bite you. And then you just kind of slowly give it to him. See? And then he won't bite you.
Okay.
She done had this dog, 9 years old. You like it? What you doing?
Eating it.
Where you at? I can't. Is it good? Major, is it good?
Yeah.
You got a crumb down there. I see a crumb down there. This is not going to be a good video. We're going to be all over the place, huh? Was it good?
Yeah.
Come here. Was it good? Did you like it? Did you like it?
You like the treat?
Did you like it? Did you like
it? You like that? That's your thing?
Look at him. He's looking at his mommy.
He's looking at the pan.
And then he's looking at the pan up on the table. Yep, I'm talking about you. Well, I guess they're a hit. We are now making dog treats. We are now making dog treats.
I'll give you one more. You ain't gonna be eating up all your treats right now. It's gonna get you sick.
No, tell him no. Tell him I said no.
Grandma said no.
You can't have any more.
Grandma said you can't have no more. I ain't say no. She said no.
I said you can't have any more. What does that mean? Come talk to me if you want some treats. Okay, so what do you want? What do you want? Just say, may I have one more? Major, say, may I have one more? You want one more? Okay, one more. Tell mommy to give you one more.
You want one more? Tell me you want
Look at those
more.
ears. Look at those ears.
You want one more? Tell me you want one more.
Look at the ears. Go get it. One more. Now remember how I told you to give it to him.
This is hilarious. Oh my God. I'll give you a smaller one too. All right, yeah.
What'd I tell you? There you go. There you go.
Yeah, you like that. You like that.
Is it good, Major? You happy now?
Yeah.
But you can't have no more.
That's it. You can't
Can't have no more. No more. No more. No more.
That was it.
Oh my goodness, he got sick a week ago and was up chucking, and we couldn't figure out what was going on, so we tried to kind of change his diet and had him not eat for a whole day, and then we fed him rice and chicken, and so that's how we got to making these treats. So if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. This was an experience.